This is our mini lecture about example 1.26 from Analyzing Classical Form. We'll be discussing in this excerpt sequential progressions, the most common is that of the descending fifth. This is working counterclockwise around the circle of fifths. You can read about this in the textbook on page 20. If you will recall the Think in the Key worksheet, in the middle of the page with the Roman numerals, if you work counterclockwise around those two circles, that's descending by fifth. In the textbook, example 1.17c is the exact same example that we will encounter in this excerpt by Mozart. I'm going to begin by measure numbers 95, 96, 97, 98. They printed 99, 100, 101, and 102. The piece begins in F minor. We actually arrive in F minor over in 98. But we can see that by the time we get to 102, we have an ornamented, a perfect alternate cadence in the key of A flat major. So let's start off by thinking about our chords in F minor by spelling the scale. F minor is tonic, G diminished is 2, A flat major is the relative major, the 3, B flat minor is 4, 5 is major, 6 is D flat, the subtonic is E flat, the leading tone triad is going to be the E natural diminished, and we're back to F minor. Let's also spell the scale for A flat major. G diminished is the leading tone triad in A flat major. A flat is our tonic, B flat minor, C is minor in A flat major, D flat is the subdominant, E flat is the dominant, and then F minor is the submedian. So we have a number of common chords between the related keys of F minor and A flat major. To start with, we have F in the bass. We're working in cut time. We're really going to have two harmonies per measure. The harmonic rhythm, which is the rate at which the harmonies change, is 2 per measure. So F, A flat, and C. That's F, A flat, C. There's our one chord. B flat, B flat, A flat is still sounding, and D flat, B flat, all right, B flat, D flat, and A flat. This is the 7th chord. It's minor. It omits the 5th, which is common. So minor 4 and 7 is the 7th. E flat. E flat is the root of our subtonic. E flat and G, and D flat. So this is our 7. It is a dominant 7th. It omits its 5th. E flat was there, G was there, B flat is not, but D flat. Again, if you're going to omit anything out of the 7th chord between the dominant 7th, it's going to be the 5th. And I am going to put a flat in front of the Roman numeral. We've discussed this before. I use the flat to represent that this is the major chord whose root is a minor 7th above our tonic F. F up to E flat is a minor 7th. Change of bass, A flat, G, C. So this is A flat, which is our relative major. I use the flat to represent that A flat is a minor 3rd above F, and this was A flat and C, the root 3rd, no 5th, and then G, so that is a major 7th, and E flat, the A flat major 7th. Downbeat of measure 97, D flat, F, C, still there. This is in terms of F minor. This is 6. Because D flat is a minor 6th above F, I put it flat in front of the Roman numeral. D flat, F, C. D flat to C is a major 7th, not a dominant 7th. G is scale degree 2, and we have G, B flat, and F. We don't have a D flat, but diatonically, the 2 in a minor key is going to be diminished, so this is our half diminished 7. Down here 98, C, E natural, B flat, C, E natural, B flat. That is our 5-7, resolving out to minor 1. And this is our harmonic sequence of descending by fifths, from 1 to 4. 1, 7, 6, 5, 4. I counted 5 numbers, so that's root movement down by fifth. 4, 3, 2, 1, 7. That's another down by fifth. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Down by fifth root movement again. 3, 2, 1, 7, 6. Down by fifth. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Down by fifth. 2, 1, 7, 6, 5. Down by fifth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down by fifth. So this is a sequence. Down by fifth sequence, so we put the Roman numerals within the sequence, within parentheses, label SEQ for sequence. It connects the initial 1 chord with the return of the tonic chord in measure 98.